Hello, it's Joel Hawk from MarineMax. Today we're looking at a 2025 Aviara AV40. Overall length is 40 feet, 7 inches. It's got a beam of 12.3. It is powered with twin Elmore 7.4 520 horse engines. It's got the power swim platform, automated trim tabs, stereo remotes in the back. Stadium seating, nice sea deck. Those deploy so you can have your plenty of seating. You got your side terraces. Get a nice outdoor kitchen, electric stove, fridge, sink. Get the nice cool touch seating. Plenty of room in the boat. Nice wraparound cup holders, cooled cup holders as well. Nice bolster seat. It is powered with a joystick. Nice hardtop with a sunroof, and it's got the rear power shade. Plenty of room up in the open bow. Nice windshield. Stepping in the cabin here. Got custom bedding, TV, sound bar. Plenty of room to get out of the sun. Nice skylight. Keeps that natural light. Get your aft quarters back there. Nice head with shower. Come check this boat out at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for watching.